Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you some incredible ways to make money using Canva. This platform has truly revolutionized the way people can earn online, and I can't wait to dive into some proven methods with you. So in this video we are going to explore 5 proven methods to make money on Canva. Whether you're a graphic designer, a creative entrepreneur, or just someone looking to earn some extra cash, Canva has got you covered. Canva provides a versatile platform for anyone looking to monetize their creative skills. The earning potential is truly limitless when you leverage the power of Canva. Enough of the talking, let's jump right into these tested and proven methods. The first method is creating ads for clients. This entails business owners, entrepreneurs, companies, schools, etc. Businesses are always looking for eye-catching ads to promote their products and services. With Canva, you can design professional quality ads quickly and easily. You can offer your services on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or social media platforms. Don't you underestimate the power of social media in the area of businesses. You can as well reach out to local businesses directly. Just take a look at this example ad I made in just a few minutes. I'd like to say this is not a sponsored ad for any of these products. These are downloaded product images from the internet which I used to create these ads in order to explain this point better. This headset I screenshot from the internet. As you can see, this stubborn pad I couldn't wipe out with the background during the background removal. Tell me in the comment section if you want me to make a video on how to create these product ads. The second tested and proven method is creating and publishing children's educational learning books. This is a growing market, believe me on this, especially with the rise of homeschooling and digital learning. Canva provides templates and illustrations that make it simple to design engaging and educational content for kids. You can create everything from ABC books, activity workbooks, storybooks, or science workbooks and sell them on platforms like Amazon KDP or Etsy. Parents and educators are always looking for engaging materials for kids. You don't need to be a graphic designer to do this perfectly. Canva offers pre-made templates. Just go through the templates, select your preferred one, modify it to your taste, publish and sell to schools, educators, or parents, even on social media platforms. The number 3 on our list is offering graphic design services. Canva is excellent for designing logos, business cards, and a complete branding packages. Many small businesses and startups need affordable branding solutions, and you can provide that. Build a strong portfolio and network within business communities to find clients. Offering packages that include logo design, social media kits, and brand guidelines can make your services more appealing. You can also modify every single details of a pre-made template to your taste. Posters, flyers, stickers for clients both online and offline, and make good money. The fourth way to make money on Canva is to design and sell digital products, specifically e-novels, e-books, online courses. Like I said earlier, you don't need to be a graphic designer to be good at this. Just select any template of your choice and modify it so you be the unique owner of the product. Digital products like e-novels, e-books, and online courses are high in demand. You probably must have come across on the social media several e-novels with free chapters to get readers on the hook and then ask to pay a fee to access the complete series or chapter. Get a story from ChatGPT, Meta AI, or any AI test tool, edit on Google Doc. Use Canva to design stunning ebook covers, layouts, and course materials, and sell on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Teachable. You can create and sell your own content or offer your design services to others who need professional-looking digital products. Either way, you earn good money. If you're not into content creation, why not start a YouTube channel? Create a channel focused on Canva tutorials, design tips, or any niche you're passionate about. Monetize through ads, sponsored content, or selling your own products and services. These channels focus on Canva tutorials are doing so well. This channel has made over 419k views within 10 months on one video alone. As of the time I searched this info, you too can earn good money by offering Canva tutorials on YouTube channel. I hope you found this method inspiring and ready to take action. I encourage you to try out these strategies on Canva and start making money today. Share your own experience in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more money making tips and tutorials on using Canva. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.